What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make passive income online. And today I'm going to do a beginner-friendly style video. What this means is, if you are new to making any type of passive income, if you're new to really making any money online, this video is going to help you kind of understand where your next step should be, which direction you need to go, and how to make money, how to make your first dollar. All right, so the first thing I want to say is I reached out to a few different people through email and asked them, what are you struggling with? And the reason why I did this is because a lot of people say that there's really no way to make passive income if you do not have money to put into something. And that's not entirely true. And actually, that's 100% false. You don't need money to make money online. And I want to show you one way that you can actually do it. So the website I'm going to be using is YouTube. Okay, I'll be showing you how you can take a passion of yours and turn it into online videos, turn it into a more of a how-to or tutorial style setup, and how you can make money from that. Okay, so like I said, I reached out to some people. One person said they have a passion in pottery, but there's no way to turn pottery into a online business because they can't make that many pots and whatever else they make. I'm not sure, bowls or whatever. They can't make that many and ship them off and sell them. They're a one-person team. Now, let me show you this, all right? This is how you can make passive income online. And again, I'm going to use pottery for today's video because, for one, I'm going to send this video to that person and let them know exactly what I recommend them to do. But you can take this example and swap out pottery for making I don't know, doing landscaping or being a gardener or something like that. Or maybe you want to talk about fitness or cooking or traveling the world. You can do that, okay? But again, I'm just going to show you about pottery, but all you got to do is change out pottery for whatever your target or whatever your passion is. So right here we're on YouTube. What I want to show you is we can go to YouTube and how to start pottery at home. YouTube's telling me exactly what to write. How to start pottery at home. Okay, cool. So how to make a $50 pottery wheel. Howtoloo.com. Okay. Beginner wheel throwing class. Well, you're probably thinking, okay, if I make a video and YouTube's gonna pay me all this money, well, they'll pay you a little bit, but here is where you're gonna make the money. Look at this. Over on Amazon, you've probably heard of Amazon, right? If you have, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Watch this. Pottery wheel. Okay? I just typed in pottery wheel. That's it. And look here. Okay? There's a, what is this? Pottery wheel, pottery forming machine. I have no clue if this is good, but it's $201. It looks like maybe that's a wheel. This is a wheel. I can see that. Now this one right here, let's just click on it. Let's open that up. Okay? Here's another wheel for $700. This one right here, it's in arts and crafts. I think you get paid like 4%, 5%, something like that. So if someone buys this for $201, okay, this one right here, okay, yeah, that's a pottery wheel. Okay, so if somebody buys this for $201, let's say you get paid 5%, you get paid $10 for them just to buy this one pottery wheel, and that's from free traffic that you got here on YouTube. Because if somebody writes how to start pottery at home, what do you think they need? Number one, they probably need a pottery wheel, right? That's probably the first thing they need. And then they need the clay or whatever this is to make, right? So if they buy this, clay for pottery, I have no idea if that's what I should be looking for. So here we go. Here's some low fire white cone pottery clay, okay? $28. So let's say somebody buys that as well, and you get 5% of that. What is that going to be? I don't know. $1 something. Let's say you get like $1.25. So total with that and this pottery wheel, you're going to make $11.25, roughly. Okay? Just from doing this. To doing one video or doing a few videos on how to start pottery at home. How to form pottery for beginners. Right? Because all these beginners need to know how to do this. Now, if you're wondering what these numbers are over here, it's pretty much telling me that it's a little bit harder to rank for how to form pottery for beginners. Okay, so if you need this, there's a tool. It's called TubeBuddy. You can see I also have it right here. You can see right here, there's my account. And gives you all this stuff. Okay, you can get it for free, and you can really start learning how to make money by going after certain keywords. So I'll put the link to this down in the description box below. Now let me show you this. Okay, let me show you something else. The reason why I want to show you how to make money on YouTube, because YouTube AdSense, or the ads that YouTube runs, before, during, and after videos, it pays a little bit. Okay, so on average, I get paid anywhere from $10 to $13 for every 1,000 views that my videos get, because I'm talking about business and making money online. If you were to talk about pottery, you'll be making anywhere from probably like a $2 to $3.50, $4 per 1,000 views. So let's say you make $3 per 1,000 views and you get 10,000 views. Okay, well, that means you can make $30 for that month for all that work that you did. Okay, that's okay, but look here, let me show you this. So I already showed you how to make money selling stuff on Amazon. All you gotta do is go to the very bottom of the page over on Amazon, and you'll see where it says, where is it? Become an affiliate. You click that button. Okay, you can either use a website or you can use your YouTube channel as your domain, as your website, where you're gonna be promoting their links. And in most cases, they will accept you. However, you need to get a sale within, I think, 120 days, or else they will shut your account down. All right, so really push, get that sale. Here's what I want to show you. ClickBank. You can see right here, clickbank.com. It's a free marketplace. It's an affiliate marketplace or affiliate network where people sell courses and stuff, where you can come here and you can promote them and make money. Okay, it's a really good thing to do. Okay, pottery. I just typed in pottery. Okay, this is gardening. So maybe this is a bad example. Let's say, what is this? Clay. I'm not into pottery. I have no clue about pottery. So this is probably a horrible example. Probably the worst person to be doing this, but I'm doing this on the fly just because that's what she said she was into. She was into pottery, and she wanted to know how can she make money with pottery. So you're watching this. I'm working on it, right? So one of the things you do is just come over here and type in pottery, if that worked. Let's see, mold making. Type that in. Candle making for you. But what I'm trying to show you is, let's say I was doing candles or something. So I could come over here and I could promote this. Okay, candle making for you. I could come over here and promote this. And every time I get a sale, I would make about $21. Okay, which is pretty good. $21 for one sale. Okay, let's say on average, every 1% of the views that you get on your video turn into a sale. That means for every 100 views, you get one sale. Now, those numbers are very skewed. It's not 100% accurate, so don't think for every 100 views you can get one sale. It's usually not the way it goes. Okay, you gotta get, let's say, let's say some of them have an average click-through rate, how many people will buy for every time they land on the page. See, anyway, you get the point. Okay, so you can go and you can sell this and you can make some money. If somebody was actually learning how to make stuff using a pottery wheel, and you showed them, okay, get this pottery wheel, but you also need this thing of clay, and also pick up this course if you are new to pottery, because it's going to help you make some money, right? And all this stuff, and again, I'm going to show you one more in just a second, all this stuff stems from this one video or your one account on how to do X, how to do pottery, or how to do garden, or how to make, homemade cheese. All this stuff is going to help you make money. It's going to help you earn a passive income online. And again, it all stems from this one thing, your passion. So I know a bunch of people that have started YouTube channels. Just recently, actually taken a course I have. A course I have, it's actually called Affiliate Marketing on YouTube, $1,000 in 45 days. You can get it. It'll be the second link down in the description box below. Currently, it's priced at $33. And I think the day is like March 14th, I believe, is the day that the price is actually going to go up. Or March 16th, the price is actually going to go up to $67. So if you want it, get it now before the price goes up. Now here's what I want to show you. Okay, a lot of people decided they want to make money doing whatever it is. Okay, and they couldn't find products over on ClickBank. They couldn't. They didn't know what to really promote over on Amazon because it was a kind of more expensive thing. So let me show you this. Okay, because a lot of them were selling. Well, one of them, not a lot. One was selling high price road bikes. Okay, I think it was like a racing bike. Okay, so I'm gonna type that racing bike for men. I don't know. So let's say I think they were like $800, $900, which isn't like high price, but it's a pretty good price. So let's say this one right here, $750 for this bike. Okay, great. If you were to sell it, being it's in sports and outdoors, I think that's like 6%, 5 or 6%. So if you make $5 for every $100 of the sale price, so is that you're making 5, 7, 30, 35, like $37.50 to get one sale. You can make over $37 to get one sale. Okay, for biking. But if you go to Google, let's say we type in, let's say racing bike affiliate. Okay, racing bike affiliate. Okay, so affiliate program performance bike. I'm gonna open that up. Affiliate program for bicycles, Big Shot Bikes. Open that one up. Trek affiliate program. If you don't know what Trek is, you've never heard of Trek, the brand, then you probably have no clue about biking. Okay, Trek is a very big brand. So look at this. Why you'll earn money with Trek. Okay, and it gives the whole thing. Program highlights 8% commission, 30-day cookie duration. A cookie means if someone clicks on the link today, they have 30 days to buy, and if they buy within the 30 days, whatever they buy, you're gonna make 8%. Okay, free shipping. Average order over $100, 30-day unconditional guarantee for an exchange or refund. Awesome, cool. So you can make 8% off whatever they buy within 30 days. Okay, of ordering. Okay, here's another performance bike. Oh, that page doesn't exist. Here's another one, Big Shot Bike. There's probably something down at the bottom that says affiliate. Let's see. I don't see it. Brand ambassador program. That's a lot of times that's the same thing. Anyway, you get the point. Okay, you do not need, just because I looked here on ClickBank and I looked on Amazon, and let's say you didn't find anything, doesn't mean you can't make a passive income with that passion of yours. Okay, like I did. All I did is I went to Google and typed in racing bike affiliate. Let's say I was trying to teach people not how to do racing bikes, but I want to teach somebody how to build a shed. Okay, I'm just type that in here. I know they have it. Okay, I know they have it because I promote it. I make a lot of money from it. Okay, but here, you like my shed plans. Okay, this is, in my opinion, one of the best ones here on ClickBank. Okay, I'll click on it. You can see it. Okay, if you've been following me for a few years, you've seen me talk about this exact thing right here, and I showed you how to do the exact same stuff I was doing. Gave you all the templates, exactly how to do it. Okay, you can make some money. You can make some really good money doing this. All right. But let's say I came here, shed making affiliate, okay? Affiliate program, American Storage Buildings, Sky Sheds, look at that, okay? Let's click on that one and see. Earn money for yourself or your club. It's fast. That's Sky Shed plan version from a link on our website. You'll earn a commission of 15% of the purchase price. That's $8.99. For the online download, or $5.99 for the plans light version. Cool. So you make pretty much $9 just to get the online download. Anytime somebody buys it, you make $9. That is incredible. One of the things I really want to stress when it comes to making a passive income online is using YouTube in conjunction with affiliate marketing is an incredible business. This is an incredible model. This proven process, and I've proven that it works. I know so many other people that have proven the exact same process works. You put something on YouTube, you promote a product or a service, and if it's a recurring service or product, such as a membership, you make more and more money. Okay, it's pretty simple. Okay, when you break it all down, you start with one YouTube video. You have one product you recommend. Okay, you just put it up there and you try to drive traffic to those links. Okay, and it's all back from YouTube. Start with YouTube. Create one video. You don't have to put a link just yet. Just create one video on your passion. Maybe you love to roll your own cigarettes. I have no clue. If you do and you want to teach people how to do it, I think you still can on YouTube. Okay? If you want to teach people how to lose weight, you can do videos, put them on YouTube. Maybe all you're doing is you want to teach people how to lose weight, but you don't know how to get started. Well, record yourself working out, stick the entire video on YouTube, and just see what people say. See, do people like that kind of content where you just come and watch somebody else work out? Because, hey, now I'm motivated because I saw them work out, now I want to go to the gym. Or you see me shooting a video on how to make money online, you're like, oh, I could do that. I don't know how many people I've seen send me an email that tell me, you got me started in making money online. I followed your exact same plan. I create videos on, how to make money on Amazon or eBay, or how to make money doing affiliate marketing. And I follow this plan, pretty much word for word, step by step, and it worked. I get a bunch of emails from that, from people that do that exact same thing and have told me my story, my journey is actually what got them involved in this business. Because I can tell you right now, you put in the work on YouTube, you start driving traffic to those links. Maybe you get a sale here and a sale there, and in 2 months you get a sale there. But in 6 months you get a sale of, someone buys some expensive thing on Amazon, or they buy, your video just goes viral and you get a bunch of sales on that product you were promoting, the Trek bike or the pottery wheel. And every single day you're making $50, $100, $250, $300 from videos you did 6 months ago that you don't even remember what you talked about, but all you know is you did the work, now you're making money. If you want to make money, if you want to make passive income online, you can. The way to get started in 2019, start on YouTube. Start creating videos. I understand you may not want to show your face, but I highly recommend you do it, okay? Because you're probably your biggest critic, okay? Go and create some videos, stick them on YouTube. If you want to know how to create more videos and not necessarily use your face, go and get the course, Affiliate Marketing on YouTube, $1,000 in 45 days. Go check it out. Second link down in the description box below. The first link, it will be to TubeBuddy. And TubeBuddy, like I said, you see it right here. You see it in action. TubeBuddy right here. Let's say I didn't want to go to how to form pottery for beginners. I can come up here. I can click on Keyword Explorer. I come right here and let's say I type in how to use a pottery wheel. Okay, search. Here's what TubeBuddy allows me to do. It tells me this is good. Okay, I should go after this because it has fair search volume, has a decent amount of competition. The optimization strength is excellent. Okay, it tells me right there it's good. 54 out of 100. That would be a good title to go after for my channel on how to use a pottery wheel. So that is what TubeBuddy is. And again, that will be the first link. Second link will be to Affiliate Marketing on YouTube, $1,000 in 45 days. Now I know I went over this stuff fairly quickly. It's because I've obviously have over 10 years of experience doing affiliate marketing, doing videos on YouTube, so it comes to me very naturally. However, it may take you a little bit. If you need to go back, watch the video again, you can go do that. Slow the video down. I know I talk fast, but the reason why is because this video is probably 18 to 20 minutes already, and I don't want you sitting here for the next 30 minutes watching a video. Okay, I want you to get all the information you can. Take that information, go and put it to use, okay? You need to start doing some action, okay? So if you have any questions that I didn't answer, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. You can also send me an email at homemade-entrepreneur@gmail.com, and I'll answer you there as well. But hopefully you enjoyed today's video on how to make passive income online. This beginner-friendly style how-to video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my free videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.